tables turn when you act like a fool. You can't deny, yeah.
The only time I have fun playing this game is when I have double rep. Look at the top left of my screen. I got double rep. We running with the guy. Look at Tyceno Reacts though. Green. Looking like Kobe out there. RP Kobe though. It's crazy. Be over here hooping. I'm having fun. I'm finally having fun. You can see the double rep for 2 more hours. We did not lose. You see he's in a box. He don't know what he was doing. And you see my nigga Flight. Big ass white, red, whatever you want to call it. We still going crazy. We was playing defense out ad. Look at the score. Check scoreboard. Look at it. See, I got the mascot out. We running with my guy Snaggy, Mo, and Flight. We running all together. We running a minute. We hop back on the court together. We did not lose a game. Look at Flight. Layup line. Thank you, Flight. Carry me. Carry me, Flight. Show him what you do IRL, yo. And you know he threw a dot to me. That's an automatic green. But anyways, man. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Pat Elite. Back with some heat. Drew Hurt. You feel me? You see my nigga Dut with another stop. I kick out back to Dut. He shoot in his face. He missed. Y'all thought he was going to make that, huh? He bricked. Regular Dut shit. But he was balling, though. I'm not going to lie. He's playing defense out his ass. We got these niggas box. You see he got a wizard hat on. He's an automatic bot. You see my nigga Dut. He throwing alleys to Snaggy and he missing dunks. What's up with you, Mo? And then this nigga Flight missing wide open. And I'm like, you know what? Give me the ball. By the way, I'm on a West delay. We balling with a West delay. I'm having fun. I hate West delay. I hate West. Fuck West. But I'm having fun on the West delay. You know why? It's double rep. You see me greening. Get off my court. Winning, you're losing. You see my nigga Dut, man. Look at my nigga Dut. You see my Mascot. You see Snaggy. You feel me? We going crazy. I mean, you see me? My nigga Dut start getting light and shit. He's off the Dut pack. He's literally off the Dut pack. Look at him. Look at him. He's off it. We got Flight. Once again, we ain't running a minute. I usually be on West delay. It's hard to play on West delay. I don't like playing with Flight sometimes because I be West delayed. Last time we went on East, we never lost. That was like back in Puma Mania, though. That was a minute ago. We did not lose one game because I'm able to green every shot against comp or not. And I'm low-key glad they took out the behind the back because these games, it just they just exposing everybody. They literally exposing people. Like, easily. That's tough. You be dapping them up and shit. I don't really want to dap these niggas up, you feel me? That's why I'm staying back and shit. Like, yeah, y'all niggas just about to get your ass bust. Y'all just gonna get, like, bodied. It's a 21 Savage for life. Like, oh, man. Anyways, if you haven't already, like the video. Sorry to do an air raid, but like the video. If you want to have fun on this game, like the video. I might have lied to you because it's impossible to have fun, but like the video still. This is second gameplay. Playing with my guys Snaggy and Dut Reacts. I made this, the day I'm making this audio right now for y'all, it's my guy Snaggy's birthday. Happy birthday to Snaggy, yo, the sellout himself. The clown himself, my nigga. Snaggy Mo, happy birthday to that boy. It's February 5th right now. It's his birthday. He going crazy. Look at him. He getting alley dunks. He's going crazy. Even though this footage is a while back, once again, this audio is being recorded today. Happy birthday to that boy. You see my big ass reds in his face, in his mouth. Pause. And Dut, I'm sorry. You gotta run. I gotta run a better route. I'm sorry. We ran to the same corner. I'm sorry, Flight. Please don't expire my contract. We was in the same corner. But I'll make up for it, though. I promise, Flight. I promise you I will make up for it, Flight. You see my greens. Y'all know my body. Y'all don't even need to know my body. I know my own body. That's what matters. See Snaggy snagging shit. You see me green and shit. It's a whole lot of shit going on. They're in the box. They're in the present box. You see Flight playing defense out his ass. I'm telling you, Flight played just like this IRL. He plays the best defense. Trust me, he plays the best defense. Look at his D. Look at his D, though. Pause. Look at Snaggy D. Pause. Again. And I'm burning like always. You feel me? Flight finally dot me. I shoot a white. It's still winning, though. If it's white, red, blank, whatever the it is, if it goes in, it's green. And then you see him missing a wide open layup. He got 21 Savages in his name. That's why you honestly missed that. You don't want to make that mistake, y'all. If you have a whack PSN, just change the name. You want me to change for it? You want me to change your name? DM me on Twitter. I'll change your own PSN name for $10. I'm lying. Change that shitty ass name, please. 21 Savage. Change it. Just change the name. It's terrible. See, we got another W easily. I was shooting straight greens. Dut straight greens. Snaggy straight balls, missing dunks. It's tough. Another game down the drain. Easily. ×2. Bonus VC always. I'm an Elite 3. Double rep. Y'all see my percent. Today as we speak, I'm like at what, 25% to legend. I'm hitting legend very soon. Y'all boys follow my Twitch if you haven't already. Paddley YT. Check the description. Chief Keef vibe. Chief Keef is the GOAT. Like the video of Chief Keef was the damn GOAT. He paved the way for everybody in the rap game. Don't at me. I don't want to hear it. I would have kept going, but someone decided to call me. But once to go, anyways, we run into a comp game right now. You see an Elite 1, Superstar 2, Superstar 2. It don't phase me. It don't matter. I'm on the West delay too. But it's not about that. I'm having fun. Double rep. If you have fun without double rep, there's something wrong with you because it's almost impossible. You must be immortal, matter of fact. But anyways, this footage right here, my guy, you see I'm throwing the alley to the Snaggy. You feel me? That was a light alley. And then these guys right here, they think we bots. We got these niggas in a present box. Christmas just passed. Look at Flight. He's looking like he playing D. Bro, he's looking like I really throwing lobs. He skated on these niggas. Like, look at him. Look at Flight. Look at that dunk though, Pat. Mascot Elite. Stop playing, man. FTC. Flight team stand up. Squeaker pad. I can't do that squeaking shit. You see the defense. And Snaggy allows to dunk in the paint. Regular Snaggy shit. You see Flight though. Like, look at Flight's passes. He wants me to run better routes, but he just be passing the ball too early. Flight, you gotta slow down. Honestly, people that think Flight is whack at this game, he's not whack at all. He actually played defense. He green almost every shot. Look at him switching. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? He's switching. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And look at him. Look at him. He playing the three-point line. He playing smart. Just watch Flight. And you know Mo got the block in the paint. He holding his own in the paint. And then the Irish spring green for my nigga Dut. He's off the Dut pack. He's off the pack. Y'all see the scoreboard against comp, whatever you want to call it. They're literally in a box. Look at them. They're struggling. And then you know Flight. With them fades. I'm not going to lie, Flight. Them fades scare me every time you do them. It scares me. The scoreboard is 11-4. They're concentrating their ass off. Me and Mo just chilling in the party. And I just think sometimes, bro, my man's Flight really be in game chat the entire time. My nigga arguing with these feds, bro. I gotta have my nigga Flight follow up sometimes, bro. Cause he just be sitting out in game chat. You know Mario don't speak when he play Mario. Snaggy just be in the party. We just be in the party just chilling. Me and Mo just in the party just chilling. Now we're going to game chat. We ended up going to game chat, but not in this footage right here, but we did not go to game chat at all, but my nigga Flight be holding it down by himself. That's tough. Shout outs to Flight. You seen me shooting that green already. You already seen it. I'm on fire, bitch. I'm burning. You know my body. Just look at it. You see Flight about to spaz. Tassino Flight in this bitch. Brick. He thought he was like that. And then Snaggy with the board, you feel me? They fouling, they hacking, they lost. They don't know what to do. They are lost. Snaggy burning. He's burning. And he's burning. And then you see him throwing the alley to Snaggy. And he's slamming on his dome. Stop playing with him, Mo. Just look at the scoreboard. Elite 1, Superstar 2, Superstar 2. And look at Flight's defense. You're not telling me Flight is whack at this game. He's actually good. Best believe it. If you think he's whack IRL in the game, he's actually good. If you think he's that whack, pull up. Please. But this is the easiest game ever. He tried to throw a lot to Flight. He thought he was like that. He gave me the ball. I shot a big-ass red, and I missed because I'm trash. Ran to the corner. You know what color that was, though. That was automatic green. But, yeah, man. My guy Flight, he's not that trash. This is the only time I have fun on 2K, double rep. You feel me? Subbing in for the Mario, you feel me? Shoot a big-ass red with no takeover. My takeover just ran out. You can't blame me. It's not my fault. It's Ronnie's fault once again. I have other mascots, too. Thanks to Ronnie. And thanks to Chop for snitching for taking away all my VC. I could have had more. And then, you feel me? We end the game right here with the Snaggy. Dunking on his dome. Easily, you feel me? You know the vibes, man. If you haven't already, once again, like the fucking video. Like the video. You feel me? Like the video if you want to be better, bro. If you're better than Flight, like the video. If you're so better than Flight in 2K, even though you're probably lying, you asshole. But like, share, subscribe if you're new. Turn on post notifications too. I'm out though, y'all.
I ain't gonna lie, at first it was a dream. I ain't gonna lie, I thought it was dumb. I ain't gonna lie.